The rash from poison ivy is contagious from person to person, only contagious in the first 24 hours, not contagious. Not contagious. Poison ivy can be found throughout North America, only in forests, only in tropical climates. Throughout North America. Poison ivy has fuzzy, hairy leaves, smooth, rounded leaves, needle-like leaves. Smooth, rounded leaves. The rash from poison ivy often appears in streaks, straight lines, perfect circles. Streaks. Children are especially susceptible to severe poison ivy rashes because they scratch the rash more often. They tend to play outdoors more. Their skin is more sensitive. Their skin is more sensitive. Thank you for taking the Christian Cat Corner quiz.